ready to do some burnouts. Do the first test drive in it. Once we get this ready, it's up. You feel? Still gonna wipe off all this oil from when the motor blew off of here so that it don't have no excessive smoke. But we still, you know what I'm saying? Still got work to do. And then the crazy part is, gang, we not even supposed to be working today. Today really our day off. It's Sunday, man. Corey said, man, y'all boys get y'all some rest. Man, we came to the shop, stragged ass a little bit, did a couple things, like cleaned up the shop and stuff, and got right back to work. My brother really been boogieing though. He went and did a whole nother mission. But yeah, right now we under here, so we'll get back at y'all when we get the tool for that, and we're gonna go and pull that joint off. All right, gang, so we got the transmission pad off of the truck, and we didn't take this off yet because we just need to do this first. But to do that, we need to go ahead and unplug it, because we can unplug it first. I think he said we gotta pull it out to drop it, right?
No, I gotta get my workout in.
Transmission look pretty neat up under here. I don't see no metal chunks in there. The fluid is a little dark when it's all in there. It's not as bright as the other fluid, but it's cool.
99, 100. All right, what'd you say, bro?
I got these. Oh man, this baby locking me in. We gotta pull the plug out before we drop it. We can wipe it down real quick and pull that filter out. So let's see.
I feel like I'm about to do some bench press.
Chill out, boy. I ain't bench pressing nothing, boy. All right, you wanna pull that in? I got this filter side. Pull the bucket up. Oh, my bad. Stick this in the oil pan. So, yeah, gang, we gotta let that drip for a minute. We can wipe what we can wipe. We need a couple more towels real quick just to wipe it down. You know, gang. All right, gang, so for those who know, for those who don't know, to take this computer off, you see all these screws? You're not supposed to take them all off. You got rounded screws and you got square screws. So I'm giving y'all free game. The rounded screw, don't touch. Square screw, you pull that. All of the square screws, we pulled all of them. We're gonna leave this one right here in the middle, in the center, so that it don't fall on us. And to get the actual harness off of the computer, sorry if the TV screen kind of going upside down on y'all, gang. But this bolt right here, once I take this bolt out, this pin, we snap it down, pull it down like that. Not sure what the name of it is, but we pull it down and we'll be able to actually pull the plastic pigtail out of the transmission. That way we can drop the computer. So for now, we're gonna go ahead and unbolt all of these bolts, pop this, and then we're gonna go and take this off. Well, I think bro can be doing that while I'm doing this. And that way we kill two birds in one stone. What? So basically, my bad, y'all, for turning this thing around again. Yeah, we put all the bolts in there so we don't lose them in the clear one. And just leave this middle bolt so it don't drop. So, yeah, if you want to just go around and break them free first and then go with the drill and whoop, whoop, whoop. We should be able to move this pan now to give us some more space. We got our oil protector down here. All right, gang, so y'all see, got the mount just fell, cut the camera off and everything. So, next, I can actually see the pigtail now. I can see it loud and clear. We gotta push up on it, pow. And I ain't gonna lie, it was hard getting that pigtail out, even when the transmission was on top of the truck. Just the pigtail alone. It's in there for sure, really good. Hey, do we got a flathead? Any kind of little screwdriver? Alright, Let me see the long jut. It should pop out pretty easy.
And I really felt like you was gonna need this at some time.
Got him. So we pop that out. Now we can start unbolting the screws. Now I can't pull it out until we unbolt all the screws. But like I said, we gotta leave that middle joint in. Yeah. And we got 2 of these sockets. So you get a ratchet, I get a ratchet.
Shit, they all loose.
You already broke them loose?
All of them loose.
For real? I didn't know that, boy.
Yeah, I'm a little bit and I ain't even looking at it.
All right, so look, we got some more towels. I'm gonna wipe it down a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't want this dropping on me.
You just got you talking about
all in the forehead? Well, I'm a hypocrite. Let me be hypocritical. The dog's back there having fun. This real-time view, y'all say y'all want that real-time action. Y'all getting it. Boat for boat. You grab that one, bro. Uh-oh. My phone actually died, so we got the phone charged back up. Got a little more juice and memory. Finna get back up under here and go and set this up. So let me get up under here right now. All right, gang. Back up under the truck. Got the computer module here. We gotta work this dang on shifter to where we can set everything in place and get the bolt down. It's gonna take 2 hands and we're gonna be good. I'm so short, I'm gonna try to move this bit. I gotta move it that way while we
you ain't even gotta do that, man. It's right here.
Alright, that's a bit. So you can do that as I go up with it with this bolt.
Let me see that light so I can make sure I get it in the right spot.
All you gotta do is feel for it, right?
No, that bitch.
Well, where your light at, nigga?
She got my light. What's your phone?
That's my phone.
Where you have my shit? Hey, we in the pudding. Push.
You see it in the
1, 2,
pudding?
3. That bitch in the pudding. Let's put that in. Push it up.
Give me another bolt. Start putting them bitches in. Yeah, man.
You think it's plugged in? It's plugged in all the way? Because I see, you see what that bitch is pushing?
Nigga, did we even see about the rubber seals on?
You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, they was on here already for sure. This the one we took off the good one. Oh, I did pinch my finger. Look how that blood looking, that oil. That shit burn. I think your end is the end that snap in.
Okay, I think I just felt that shit too.
Let me hit one of these motherfuckers. See something I missed? For now, you can slap that off filter back on. I'm finna
snug it.
No, yeah, I'm saying, but you still can. Oh, yeah, you're right. I'm tripping. That's gonna cover it up. Them not the it's not the actual socket for it, so be careful. So don't strip it. Let's see about it. That motherfucker snapped in, nigga. That was the hardest part we was thinking about. Yeah, man, it's gonna be a bitch. Talk that talk, George. Like I said, I don't know how much I actually seen because we was at that weird angle. But that's real time view, man. No time lapse, straight conversation. You hear what this nigga whole shit he say to me, you hear the whole shit I say to him. Man, it's up, man, you know, brotherly love, mechanically love, we've been doing this. We thought this was really gonna be a pain in the ass, but at the end of the day, it really wasn't. Really wasn't that bad. How long we really been on this?
About an hour, maybe.
About an hour? Yeah, so really about an hour job. If we already done this before, I think we could have knocked it out faster. But now that we exactly know what we up against, this is really a breeze. So, we're gonna slap this pan back up here, wipe it down real nice and neat, cause it's a little oily everywhere. Got the gasket on.
Yeah, I got the gasket up on the pan. I gotta round up the bolts. I'm gonna put you one right there.
Come back some more. Come back. All right, gang. So we got some janky mechanic shit going on. You feel me? The original fluid going back in the transmission. This is some dealer only fluid. So we come up with a rig because we was holding it and it take a nice little minute for the fluid to actually go down from the filter. So we're doing it like that there. It's gonna be a minute. So y'all know, man, we grinding. It's late night, it's like 10:45, Sunday night. Wasn't even supposed to be here, but you know, we here. I'm about to come out my shirt because I got so much oil. My arms is like shiny. Like my tattoos look all new. But yeah, they're all going down so slow. It don't even look like it's moving at this point anymore. Wait, it stopped. I think that shit stopped moving. Oh, it's going down stupid, super slow. Mexican not leaking. Oh yeah, it's full, nigga.
Just put this back under. That's cool.
So, y'all see it's leaking. Not because the tube came out, but because it's full. So, we gotta put the battery in and start the car and let that. Yep, gotta let that suck it up. Alright, so pop the trunk, get the battery in. Where we put the battery in the truck? Battery in the red truck. Okay, gang. Y'all see we got that thing fired up. Still gotta add some more fluid in it. Everything warming up here, the engine getting up to temperature. I found these things, we're gonna go and put them on if they fit.